In this video, I will show you how to deposit cash in Revolut. So first go and open up the Revolut app, and then what you want to go and do is in the home screen right here, click on add money. So that's the plus icon. Then you will see this. So it says add money. Then under that you can see the payment method that I have selected. So for me that's Apple Pay, but if you click on change, you will then here be able to choose a delivery method, so basically a way to add the money. Now what you can also do is to get paid your salary into your Revolut account. Now you can also just go and deposit through a bank transfer, Apple Pay, Ideal, debit or credit card, or for you there may be a few different options depending on your country. So just select the one that you want to use. Now for me that's Apple Pay, so I'll just skip it to this. Then under the selected payment method, choose how much you would like to deposit. In my case there is a minimum of 10 euros, that may be different in a different currency or country, but I'm just going to add 12 euros. Now what I can do is click on the Apple Pay button in the middle of the screen, and once I click on that, I can go and confirm that I want to deposit that money from my Apple Pay method, which in my case is my bank account, and then it will be deposited into my Revolut balance, and it will then show up on the home screen as your balance. So now you know how to deposit cash on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.